Hi everyone, my name is Evelyn Akin and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to step by step, guide by guide, how to actually start day trading in 2026. So the end of the year is approaching, guys, so it's time for you guys to lock in and learn a new skill to help you guys become more profitable in your life. Stay tuned for the whole video. I don't want you guys to miss out on any gems I do drop. And any questions and any other videos you guys would love to see in the future, please do let me know in the comments down below. Let's get straight into the video, guys. So first things first, what is day trading? Day trading, in simple terms, is the act of buying and selling stocks and assets in order to make a profit. So you can either sell and buy these stock and assets for either a short period of time or a long period of time. This all depends on the type of trading style that you do have and whatever trading style you decide to go into. So personally, I'm a day trader, so the maximum I'd be holding a trade for is a day max. So but typically would be for maybe from London session to New York session or Asian session to London session. So not that long, couple of hours, couple of minutes. It all depends on your style of trading. Now, let's get straight into what you actually need to get started. There's 4 simple things that you guys actually need to get started. First things first, you're going to need a trading platform. So the one I do recommend is MetaTrader 4 or 5. This is how you actually place your trades and whether you want to buy or sell the stock or asset. Simple. The second thing you're going to need is, of course, a broker. I want you guys to think of a broker as like a bank account. This is what you're going to use to actually make the exchange of in which you want to buy or sell. So the broker is basically where you deposit your money, and from there you connect it to your trading platform, which I mentioned earlier, MetaTrader 4 or 5. And with that, you can then place your trades and buy or sell the stocks and assets. And that's basically where your money is kept. You withdraw your money and you withdraw your profits and stuff like that. The third thing you're going to need is some sort of platform for you guys to actively look at the charts and look at the markets in order to make your decisions on whether you want to buy or sell the stock or asset. The one I do recommend and most traders use is TradingView. It's easy, it's free, it's quite easy to understand as well. And I know at first glance the charts and markets may look a bit daunting, and guys, once you do practice and keep actively looking at it, you'll understand that the charts are actually not as complicated as it seems. It's just at first glance it does look like that, but as time goes on, you guys will be able to understand what each and every chart and sticks and candles mean. Lastly, of course, to start trading, you're going to need money, capital. So in order to make money, you have to spend money. I know you guys have heard that before, but it's the same thing with trading. So you need money to make money. And the good thing about trading forex is you can start with as little as €50, and then the sky's the limit from there. So what I would recommend is only trade what you don't mind losing, because I like to look at trading as a form of responsibly gambling. So we're not just gambling whether we think the asset or stock is going to buy or sell. We have many indicators and many things that do help us make that decision whether we want to buy or sell the asset or stock. So that's why I mentioned TradingView. That's how when we look at the charts, they might be a break of structure, for example, or a retest, wherever the case may be. Is that's what now tells us and gives us the signal whether to buy or sell the asset or stock. Please do manage your risk as well and only trade what you don't mind losing. Okay. So those are the 4 things you need to actually get started. The next thing you're going to need is a strategy. Of course, we can't just blindly go into trading. We need to actually know what we're looking for, what signs we're looking for in the charts and in the markets for us to actually place our trades. So find the strategy that works for you. There's so many out there. There's break and retest, there's supply and demand. There's so many different type of strategies out there, but find the one that does work for you. And what I would recommend is backtest, 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 backtest. So there is a platform that you guys can actually use to backtest. It's called FX Replay, which will help you try out your strategy and see how it works and see if it actually works for you. So on that note of strategies, guys, and the great thing about the platform MetaTrader 4 or 5, it does allow you to open up a demo account. So what I would highly recommend is before even putting in your own capital, open up a demo account and actually see how the charts move and see how trading actually is when you are actively in a trade. So take a few demo trades here and there just to basically see how the charts move up and down, to basically give you an idea of how much profits you could be making just by simply buying and selling. So those are basically the 4 simple things that you guys actually need to actually actively start day trading. And the last thing I will say is get yourself a mentor of some sort, or find someone that's in the position where you want to be when it comes to trading and try and learn from them. Information and education is everything. Learn as much as you can, take in as much as you can, implement that into your trading. And remember, practice does make perfect. Put in them 10,000 hours into trading, guys, and you will definitely become profitable. It's not something that's it's an easy skill to learn, but it's not an easy way to make money because it does take a lot of time and effort as well. It's not something that's you can just put in the most minimal amount of effort and you're going to be profitable. That's not how it works. If it was easy like that, everyone would be making money off trading. But you need to do what the others aren't doing. You need to put in the 10,000 hours so you can become profitable as well. All right, guys, that's how you start day trading in 2026. Always remember, start small, stay learning, and stay consistent, and you will definitely become a profitable trader. Any questions that you guys may have, leave them down below in the comments below, and any other type of videos you guys would like to see, please do let me know down below as well. Thank you guys for making it this far into the video. I hope you guys did learn a couple of things, and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.